All right, we are on the last page of the packet, and that's the back page of the review for Unit 3. So, this is just the word problem, and it looks like it's going to be one of those work word problems. We went over the 3 different types of word problems you guys are going to see in section 3.5. So make sure that you check out 3.5 if you want some additional examples of that. Let me make sure that I have that on here so you can kind of see, get an idea. See, we did like a bunch of these word problems a little bit earlier. So make sure you practice some of those and you'll be good to go. Okay, so Susan can weed the family garden in 7 hours. So the way that these word problems are set up is that you go 1 over the first rate, so 7 hours. And then her brother John can do it in 5, so that's plus 1 over his rate, which is 5. And that equals 1 over the amount of time it takes them to work together. So how long will it take them to work together? These problems are always set up the same way. That's how it works. Now, we follow the same rule that we did for solving rationals, and that's find a common denominator. So we can find a common denominator by taking all the denominators and multiplying them together. So 7 times 5 times x, which would be 35x. And then multiply that in the numerators of each of them. So 35x times 1 is 35x over 7, plus, and then 35x times 1 is 35x over 5, and then 1 times 35x is 35x, so 35x over x. Now simplify it. 35 divided by 7 is just going to be 5, so we have 5x. 35 divided by 5 is 7, so plus 7x. And then the x's cancel out here, so that equals 35. Combine like terms. 5 plus 7 is 12, so 12x equals 35. Divide both sides by 12 and you get your answer. X is equal to 35 over 12. But since it's a word problem, we obviously want to get like a decimal answer so we can, answer the question. Because if somebody asks you this question, you say, "Oh, it's 35 over 12 hours," they're gonna look like you're insane or something. So let's find what that value is. 35 over 12. It's about 2.917. So 2.917 hours. I don't know, someone would probably still look at you like you're insane if you say some decimal answer for hours, but it's about 3 hours, I guess, would be the answer that you would give. I don't know. All right, so yeah, that's number 13, but once again, if you want more word problems to check out, just go to 3.5. That's it for this one. Now we're going to move on to graphing.